If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. Welcome back everyone to another Casper update. If you remember from the last video, we were suggesting that as long as this 1414 at 10.2 cent holds, we are expecting a pump from here and it has to reclaim the 1 fib level. And then in order to get this pump to 25 cent, we also need to reclaim the 0.5 fib, as previously it was sitting as support on the 20. The price was in an uptrend, and then when you lose that, you start this correction. We were playing around with the 55, we were losing it, reclaiming it, losing it, but as we were holding the 1414, we were suggesting that price just needs to reclaim the 20 and the 1 fib level, and then the 0.5 Fibonacci to continue to that 25 cent target. Remember, it was once support, and then on this dump flipped into resistance, the loss of the 20 as well, and then eventually being confirmed. That is what essentially sent us down to this 1618 target. And as all three of those targets were met, we usually tend to reverse and create a bullish pattern, which was this double bottom. And as the 1414 was holding a support, my expectation was that we would form an EMA repel between the 55 and the 20, which is, although we've started going down, we need a confirmation that we would actually continue lower down to the 200 EMA. And you need a bearish cross, but if we don't get a bearish cross, price will reclaim the moving averages before they can cross bearish, keeping the uptrend, and so eventually breaking the high and meeting 25 cent. And over the last 2 days, we've seen that move up, and it actually came all the way back up to the 0.5 Fibonacci. So very nice to see that the TA that we were suggesting in the last video all came to fruition, and we have pretty much predicted this entire pump. This, of course, from the 1414 was a move of about 27%, but currently sitting at 17% without any leverage whatsoever. So guys, please make sure you are liking, subscribing, commenting and sharing to support the channel. It's very appreciated, and hopefully we can hit 8k as quick as possible. Now, it's important, after getting up into this price point, understanding that it is first resistance. Remember, it was previously support, as just mentioned, reviewing that last update and what we were saying in the last videos. As we're coming down into this golden pocket and the 20, you're in an uptrend, so we should just hold this as support and then continue higher with the next target as high as 25 cent. But of course, if you lose that key level of support, you're not in that essential uptrend anymore. We're now putting in the reversal wave, where we're looking as these as our target to the downside once we lose the golden pocket and the 1 fib level. So eventually it was lost and we met all targets and we started to form this double bottom, and that's great to see because we're setting a bullish pattern now after meeting all the targets. So as long as this does not cross over, we should get a pump back above. This is called the EMA repair. We're now seeing that now, where the 20 was coming down to cross over, we're now seeing it start to turn back around to continue with this uptrend, if you understand where I'm trying to get at. And then we're looking for targets above this high, because if we're not going into a downtrend, we are bullish, and bullish just means higher highs and higher lows. So we should anticipate above 15 cents essentially. So what needs to now happen, if we go over to the 4-hour time frame, as we've tested the golden pocket first as resistance, we need to come back down. So we've retraced back up to this high. Essentially what I'm going to do is actually show you this new set of fibs showing where we have actually already pulled back to. So we've rejected this golden pocket, which was also retracing to this high, so that's also become a 1 fib level now, and then it's given us an opposite golden pocket, which was once sending us lower from here, and now we're above it, looking for it to hold us up as support so we can reclaim that 0.5 Fibonacci at 13 cent. So essentially once 13 cent is being taken out, and that is support again, and then we can see we've got targets to the upside that is taking us back up to this high, but then also higher, sending us to 20 cent. That's very close to this 22 cent target, and this 26 cent, we're just calling it 25 cents. So we're already showing the path of how we can get back up there, as long as now we just continue to hold this double bottom. And of course, now that we have broken through the neckline and tested this golden pocket, we need a reclaim of that. But first we reject it, fall back to this double bottom neckline and this previous 1 fib level down over here at 11.5 cent. And as long as 11.5 cent now holds, which is also the 200 EMA over here, and also now newly formed bullish cross, then we should just see that expected continuation to the upside. If you want me to teach you how to do all of this, then take action on the Discord community. You get 2 weekly group calls in there where I mentorship you the exact things that you see in today's update, on top of some more advanced things. Now, You can get free access for 2 months if you take action on the course or the mentorship plan. The mentorship plan also includes the course and the Discord in the one price. I've also got an ebook as well. Use the links down below or to go to the website or message me on Twitter. And that's it from me today, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. Cheers. I've got a whole bunch of educational content, and over here on the website, you can see loads of other people taking action recently. If you want to get educated, simply scroll underneath the video, click take action or Linktree, and click the option that you want to read more about or private message me on Twitter. Let's start off with the ebook. This is where you can take action on my ebook, teaches the exact strategy. Head over to the membership level if you want to become a Discord channel member, where you have access to 2 weekly group mentorship calls, or if you want to take action on my 6-hour long pre-recorded course, there's an offer here, and you do get Discord chat for 2 months totally free. Here is my beginner one-to-one mentorship plan, which includes 3 hours of my one-to-one help, the course, and 2 months free in the chat. And there are some other plans here for 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help. Use the links down below to private message me on Twitter, or head straight to the website using one of these links to take action. Cheers.